Hey, Corey Fluxtra. Hey, Sonic the Hedgehog. How you doing? Hey, Sonic. Wanna go to IHOP? Eat some pancakes and stuff? I thought that restaurant disappeared. It was destroyed or something. I don't know. I guess. Oh, I know what destroyed it. Your mom's ass. Because she ate too many pancakes. She passed gas. Corey, enough with the jokes about my mom. Okay, let's get going to IHOP already. Dude, why are you going to IHOP? I heard that place got taken down and taken over by Goths. Goth girls. Yuck. Hey, look! It's our famous friend, Chris Pratt, here today. Goth girls? What? Are you serious? Yuck! I don't like goth girls. Then I guess we're not going to IHOP then. Any other restaurants around here? I don't know. No, I'm hungry and I'm going to IHOP, fair and square. All right, bye. Corey! Corey! No! Corey, I thought you don't like goth girls. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey, he left. Corey's gone. No! Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, welcome to Goth IHOP. How may I take your order? Hey, why does everybody look like they want to kill themselves? That's just weird. All right. I'll have some pancakes, please. And, that'd be about it. Here's your pancakes, sweetheart. Anything else I can get for you? How about, what the hell is wrong with you? You cooked me pancakes, but they're burnt. They're black. What is this? What the hell is wrong with you? Hello, sir. I own this restaurant. What seems to be the problem here? Your stupid goth girls all gave me burnt pancakes and they taste like ugh. We don't just sell pancakes, sir. We sell pussy. Pussy. I didn't come here for the goth girls. I came here for pancakes. Hey, you! Boy! No! Shut up! You shut up! Come on, boy. Let's make sweet, compassionate love together. I would like that, but I'm not into goth girls. But what I really want is good pancakes. You all made bad pancakes. You all suck at making pancakes. You hear me? So just go back to hell. Are you gay? No! Hell no! Hell no! I am not into these goth girls. I just want a good pancake. How hard is it to get it? I need it. I want to eat it. Damn, he's not horny. He's angry. You have to leave this restaurant immediately, Corey. Get the hell out. Well, I'm leaving, and I'm not coming back to eat here ever again. Okay, you can take your sorry ass and shove it up the